Higgsfield just dropped a pretty massive new feature, and for some reason I haven't seen anyone else talk about it. They call it the personal clipper, and what it allows us to do is basically just paste in a YouTube URL, and then AI is going to find the best and most viral clips in that video, cut them into the clips, add subtitles, and then make them ready for posting it on Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. So in this video I'm going to test it out, and by the end you'll know if this is a feature that's worth using or not. And I'll even test it out on my own channel. I'll create a couple of clips and actually post them to my channel to see how they perform. Is it something that can actually get views? If we go to Higgsfield AI, we can see top right corner, the personal clipper. If we click on this, it opens up the Supercomputer, which is also a new feature that Higgsfield has dropped, that I have been testing quite a bit as well. But you can see right down here, it says personal clipper new. And from my understanding, all we have to do is just find a YouTube clip. So if I search for Mr. Beast, go to his channel and then find any video that we want, like this one right here, we can copy the URL just like this, and then paste it in and say create viral clips from this, and hit enter. And from that, it should know that I want to use the AI clipper, and it should create the clips all by itself. I'm very excited to see on my own channel if these clips can actually perform, or if it's just AI slop. By the end of this video, you'll know if it actually worked. Now you can see it says, I'll process the YouTube video to identify the best moments, and you can see it can run for 11 credits. That is actually quite cheap. I thought it would be more expensive. When you're generating actual AI videos, like with Cdance and these other models, you're usually spending anywhere from like 70 to 100 credits. This only costs 11 credits to create 10 clips. So let's try and click run and then see what happens. We can also see that it's in a 9:16 format. We're creating 10 clips, and it's using this font right here. In top right corner, it says it can take between 15 to 20 minutes. And top right corner, it says that it can take between 15 and 20 minutes. So let's see. All right, now we have a couple of clips. Let's see if they're actually good. Let's see.
What, am I racing dogs now?
Are you ready to face the peak of robotic athleticism?
Let's go!
Humanity is resting in Noel's legs. Ready, set.
Oh, the robot's fast!
Go, Black Panther! Go!
It's right behind you!
Oh, it's catching up.
No, we might lose!
Whoa, hey, low-key, that robot was a little scary.
Humanity wins!
One day, robots will overtake us, but in 2025, humans still have an edge.
Humanity is saved, once again.
Robots are not better than us!
That was actually surprisingly good. The only thing I saw right here is that sometimes the cut has been made wrong. Like right here you can see it should be zoomed more out, or it should focus on one of them, like it's kind of like half-half. That probably doesn't look the best. You can also see right here the R in Panther has been cut out. So definitely sometimes there's some issues with how it's cut. However, a lot of the time as well, you can see it's focused right here on Mr. Beast. And then it actually cuts correctly over to the person that's talking next. Pretty impressive that it can do that. I wonder how the Higgsfield team managed to do that. Must be like motion focused and the guy speaking or something. Very, very interesting. I can see this really going viral. I have like 20,000 likes on YouTube Shorts, definitely. Let's try and see some of the other clips. Let's try it on my own content. So instead of a Mr. Beast video, I'm gonna go to our own channel, and you can see right now my reels are getting anywhere from like 1 to 5,000 views usually. So let's see how this compares. And I have a full human editor that are editing my reels. So if we go and find a video like this one right here, point of view, you log in with the boys. I'm gonna paste this in and write create 5 viral reels. Let's try 5 reels. So I'm going to use this one right here, and let's create a new task as well. You can actually have 2 running at the same time. So let's go and find another video like this one, and then say create 5 viral reels like that. Now we have 2 lifestyle videos. These were like blogs. Let's try and take another video. This would be interesting to see if we can actually cut a video like this. This is a tier list over business models. So let's try and run that as well. So now we have a couple of different formats. We have lifestyle, and we also have like some pure value videos. And you can see when we're only creating 5 reels, we're actually only spending 6 credits, which is pretty cheap. That one is interesting. This one is 5 reels still, but it's still 10 credits. I wonder, it's probably because the video is a bit longer. So let's approve that as well. And now all of these are running. I'll let them complete, and then I'm going to choose the best reels that it creates. I'm going to post them to my socials to see how they perform, so we get a real life test. Great. I have made a bunch of generations now, and it's actually pretty good. Also for like pure value content. Sometimes it does the thing where it messes up the actual cutting, and that's just the reality of like taking a long form video and cutting it into a short. Like you're gonna have like this weird bar right here, for example, but like even if I was editing this myself, that would be hard to overcome. Pleasantly surprised. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to choose the best videos, let's say best 5 videos, and I'm going to post them to my YouTube as shorts, and we're gonna see how many views they get and if they can compete with my regular videos. Let's download this one. This one seems pretty good. Alright, now I have all of my videos on my phone, so now we can just go in and start uploading them one by one. I'll do this throughout today, so they are scattered out a bit. You can click add, let's choose this one, click next. I'm going to write on this, AI voice agents are insane, click upload short. And there we go, the short is now uploading, and let's see if it performs as well as my other videos. I'll upload around like 4 to 5 videos throughout today, so we can see how they perform. And now let's cut to the results. Alright, it's now the next day. I just woke up and I posted 3 reels yesterday. This one right here, AI voice agents are insane. This one right here, why I never cook. And this one, point of view, you log in with the boys. And if we click in on them and see on the analytics page right here, we can see that it's a pretty normal reel in terms of performance. You can see it says nice, this short got 917 views. That's similar to the 850 to 1300 you usually get. They are similar to the other reels that I have my editor posting, which is impressive. Will I fire my editor now and only do this for my shorts? Probably not, but would I use this to pump out additional shorts, or if I have days where I don't have time to shoot a short, then use this instead of a short? 100%. It's definitely a good tool that you need to know, and it's only going to get better. If you want to learn how to take this information and build it into a business, then you should check out our completely free community, AI Automation A to Z. Inside of here we have the 7-day challenge that takes you from a beginner to advanced in building with AI and selling it to clients. I'll drop a link right below this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. YouTube thinks that this video right here will be interesting for you to watch next. As always, have a wonderful rest of your day. Albert out.